Whaling Fireline Equipment Incorporated presents the walkout method of deploying wildland hose. The whaling pack is a walkout hose. Starts by just pulling the female and making an appropriate connection. If the distance from the firefighter to the connection is a little bit of distance, you can pull additional hose out. Then go make the connection. Once the connection's made, firefighter simply walks. As he moves along his projected path, the hose feeds out behind him. This is continued along the edge of the fire. As the firefighter walks around brush and trees, the hose is anchored. If needed, a firefighter can hold in one position while the pack goes around him, and that will enable the hose to not be dragged accidentally into a hot ember or fire area. When the firefighter gets to the very end of the bundle comes out with the diverter tee and the nozzle. To start off, you connect the pack right directly to the engine and use a reel line or another pre-connected reel line for the first 100 feet. At 100 feet, the bundle is deployed, and now the engineer can charge that bundle. The bundle has a 100-foot lateral, which you see extended already, and the next bundle is deployed right behind it. This process is continued over and over again. Once the bundle is out, check to make sure it's shut, call for water. Once the line's been charged, make the connection, and the next bundle's ready for deployment. Charging the bundle, you turn the valve. Down the line, the bundle is filled with water, the trunk line and then the lateral. Firefighter then comes, breaks away the flagging tape, picking up the nozzle, unkinks any hose, and extends the next 100-foot lateral. Back behind him, a firefighter is clearing the loop, making sure it stays out of brush and stobs. This is the best way to make sure that attack line doesn't get tangled. You can see here one lateral, or in this case it's the first 100 foot's a reel line. It's shutting down. The next lateral takes right off, and the next bundle is deployed right behind. With this type of method, you can have a non-stop supply of water on the fire, and trunk lines and bundles constantly being deployed. Now, in addition to using the packs as attack packs, simply a supply pack, this is 400 feet of hose, and the firefighter goes from one location, point A, to another location, point B, just like a regular fire engine would lay hose from a hydrant to a fire. And this is just showing how one firefighter could deploy 400 feet if needed. And this concludes the whaling pack walkout hose method.